Okay, good morning to all. So this is Selumar from SNS College of Technology and the Department of Computer Engineering. So now we are going to discuss about case study things. So the case study topic is open educational resources. So first of all, the open educational resources are used to for in a very interactive education sectors. So it is very interactive with the human values and analyze how they are interacting with global resources and global attributes. So our mentees are going to tell about how the open educational resources are invented and implemented in real world examples. Start with Sridhar.
Imagine a classroom where every students have free access to high quality books, video notes and lecture notes, no matter what their background or income. There is no worries for high quality books or pirated videos. In this video, let us explore what is OER and why they are important, and we as students, professionals, teachers, how we can share knowledge ethically while respecting the IPR.
I'm going to explain what are open educational resources. Open educational resources are used for learning, teaching and resource materials that are available freely on online, and it is openly licensed, and they can be videos, quizzes or other lesson plans and textbooks and lecture slides that will be available on a full course in online. And the key point is that it ensures open domain and right to retain a copy, reuse or remix with it, and it will be published under interest group.
Okay, let's see why open educational resource matters to this environment. Open educational resources are not just only the files uploaded on the internet. It's about human values like equality, respecting each other and the social responsibility. When good resources are locked under high paywalls, students from low income backgrounds suffers and they are excluded even if they are talented and hardworking. Open resource education reduces these barriers and promotes students to learn and use this environment more usefully. For institutions, open educational resource supports academic knowledge openly to build their reputation and extend their reach. At the same time, the professional considerations of ethical researches, the openness should be more ethical. We should not copyright the others uploaded materials. It should follow the honesty and it should not violate the ethical considerations.
Okay, I'm going to explain the ethical considerations. So ethical sharing means sharing two responsibilities. The first responsibility is expanding access to the knowledge, and the second responsibility is respecting the creator's idea. So the simple steps which can be followed for so the simple practices that can be practiced are always checking the license. If you are performing an OER, open educational resource, check for it whether the license is available or not. License like CC, common creatives can be used. And the second practice is avoiding unethical shortcuts. Usage of artificial intelligence should be avoided in performing OER. And the third one is creating knowledge with respect to the OER considerations. So everyone should be given proper knowledge about OER, and OER should be taken care in the correct way. And this is all about ethical considerations.
So by observing all the points, in the conclude part it says that the OER is the one of the most powerful tool which makes the education more affordable. So the question is how the people is using it honestly, or making it available to the others, and making the resources generously so that everyone can utilize it and everyone can make use of it. And whether the profession may be teacher or a working profession or a student, the question is whether they were using the resources correctly or utilizing it ethically or not. So if the answer is yes, the OER makes it not only makes the education as a teaching, it makes the human values it improves the values of the humans who are currently leading their life. So this is what this concludes. Thank you.
So based on this discussion, what about your own point, like for OER, if it is accepted or not accepted?
So OER is perfectly accepted accepted, students use in their own perspectives so that it differ from each person. People should use it ethically. Neither it using unethical violates the engineering ethics.
Okay, so that's all about our case study video about open education resource. Thank you.